What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over Decentraland Mana. We're making some juicy profits with our trade here. So we're sitting at 322. We're up basically 12% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.83 billion. 24-hour volume 796 million. A little bit of my dyslexia there. Big shout out to Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app. If you're new, you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral, guys. So let's start here on the 4-hour time frame. So we had this descending channel. We came down to a strong level of support, 273, which was where one of our buy zones were. So our break even was sitting at 285 and we've broken out. So currently we're up on our trade. If we take it all the way up to the peak, almost 13%, guys. We're putting in a beautiful inverse head and shoulders, just as we are with Bitcoin. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and we just formed our right shoulder. So we're doing everything that we need to do here for continuation. We can drop in our neckline. So if you see us come up and break this resistance sitting at $3.48 for our friend Mana, take the measurement from the bottom of the pattern all the way up, and it could take you all the way up here past the previous high. If it were to make it all the way up to our technical target, could take you all the way up to about $6.98. So do keep an eye on that, guys. If we can come up and break 343, that's extremely bullish for our friend Mana. Now, I had been talking about Mana getting back above the daily EMAs and how that's a strong bullish signal, especially if we come back down to them for a retest, hold it as support, and then break out, which is exactly what we're doing here. And this is where we last had the bullish cross for Mana before seeing an explosive pump back to the upside. All right, guys, currently we're hitting resistance at the 0.5. There is quite a bit of resistance at this level. So if we can break above it, guys, and we can get back above the golden ratio, higher likelihood you're coming back up to the previous high at $5.91. And then you have the 1.272 at $8.27, the 1.618 extension at $12.60 for our friend Mana. So it's looking healthy, guys. We're back above the EMAs on the daily. You can see how high up we were on the money flow, as well as very close to overbought. And we saw a beautiful retracement back down, found a strong level of support, and it looks like we're seeing continuation. What we want to see is we come up and we break this high, and then that inverse head and shoulders can play out. We went through a beautiful ABC correction, descending triangle, found support, broke out back to the upside. All right, guys, so that's basically it for Mana. These are your future price targets. If we can break out, get back above the golden ratio, $8.27, $12.60. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. We'll look at the hourly time frame. Oh, another thing that I want to mention here, guys, let's pop over to the hourly. We're probably quite overbought. Yeah, so you see how overbought we are on the hourly as well as the money flow. So I will close 50% of my trade, and now our first entry at $2.99 will be our first buy zone. If it does come back down, I'll lock in the rest of my profits and I'll re-enter. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. And then if you're low leverage trading, guys, don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. You have to double your margin. The strategy is fully explained in the Discord. We also have over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and we have the DCA trade strategy as well as the live trades here on the channel and daily buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions. $350 USD price of a coffee if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.